These are two problems basing on capacitors and both are same. So, I will first solve this second problem. So, the first problem becomes quite easy. Let us have a look at this. A capacitor of 2 microfarad, this one, is charged as shown in the figure by connecting to the circuit, and these two are connected, right. So, what happens when it is charged is, let us calculate, this generates an energy, right. When 2 microfarad is connected to battery V, energy stored is half CV square. I am not substituting the micro as 10 power minus 6 or like that, because I just want a percentage. Let us leave it like that, they will remain same, half CV square. That is the first part of the problem. Further it is said, when the switch SC is turned to position 2, what does it mean is, this is removed and it is now connected to this. When the switch SC is connected to that, what happens? The percentage of energy stored, the energy dissipated is, now why that energy dissipates? First of all, let us try to understand that. The first thing that we need to understand is, by the time when this first capacitor is charged, this 2 microfarad is now charged. Charged to what? Q equal to CV. C is 2, voltage is V. So, this much of the charge is there on this. Now, it is connected to this. Now, this charge will be shared between this 2 and 8. It is obvious that this 2 and 8 are in parallel, that the potential is same between both of them. So, across this there will be new potential V dash and the charge is shared. So, what let us write that now as charge shared and charge is conserved. Q can be written like Q1 on the first charge and Q2 on the second charge. This 2V will be shared across this and this now. So, 2V equal to C1 V1, Q equal to C1 is 2, V1 is V dash, C2 is 8, that V also V dash, because these two are in parallel. So, 2V equal to 10 V dash. So, V dash equal to 2V by 10, that is V by 5. That means what? When this is disconnected and these two are connected, across each capacitor there is a voltage developed, that is V by 5. As voltage is developed now, energy is also developed, right? That implies new energy is half C1 V dash square, half C2 V dash square. Half C1 is 2, V dash square is V square by 25. C2 is 8, V dash square is again V square by 25. This half and half will cancel, this is the 4 times. So, this is V square by 25 plus 4 times of V square by 25. So, I can take V square by 25 common, 1 plus 4, that is 5V square by 25, that is V square by 5. The first energy E1 is 2 and 2 will cancel, that is V square. Now, the new energy E total is V square by 5. V square by 5 means this is V square, but this is V square by 5. That implies I can write E dash is 1 by 5th of V square. V square is nothing but E1. So, 1 by 5th is only present. 1 by 5th means 100 by 5 means 20%. 1 by 5th is nothing but 20%. It implies energy lost is 80%. So, how much of the energy dissipated is? 80%. Once if you are able to solve that problem, this problem becomes quite easy, because this is the same. Look at this problem, NEET 2017. A capacitor is charged by a battery like this, like what we have said. The battery is removed and another identical charged capacitor is connected in parallel. That's exactly happened. Of course, now it is more simpler because it is identical. The total energy of the resulting system is. So, I can draw the diagram if you want. Let me draw the diagram. This is V. So, this is 1 connected. Okay. This is V, the capacitor C. Now, this is the point 2 and there is another capacity C. That is what he is saying. He is saying first it is connected to 1 and then it is charged and then it is connected to 2. So, what I can write? Let us write the same here. When 1 is connected, what I can write? Energy is half CV square, Q equal to CV. Now, when 2 is connected like this, case 2, like what are you writing? Like here, new energy. What we can say? Charge is shared. Q is Q1 plus Q2. Q is CV. Q dash is again CV dash plus CV dash. Here I have written 2 and 8 because they are different, but here both are same. So, V dash of 2C. So, C and C will cancel. V dash becomes V by 2. Here V dash became V by 5. Here V dash becomes V by 2. Once V dash becomes V by 2, E dash becomes half C. V square means V dash square, that is V square by 4 plus half C V square by 4, that is 2 times of half CV square by 4. This 2 will cancel. This is CV square by 4. This is half of half CV square. That is what he is asking. By how much factor the total electrostatic energy will happen? It is half of initial energy. So, it becomes decreases by a factor half, this is half of E. So, it decreases by a factor 2 is the answer for the problem. So, in fact, both the problems are same, just given in different format. In fact, NEET 2017 is a much simpler question than NEET 2016. In fact, just one video back before this, I have solved the same problem. So, these are all the same kind of the problem. So, this model looks like a little popular model, and have a watch out of this model, right. Thank you for watching.